Sheraton Vistana Room Tour for Seniors, Premium One-Bedroom Unit. Hi, it's Dan from Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney, and today we ventured just outside the Walt Disney World bubble to provide you with a room tour of our Premium One-Bedroom Unit here at Sheraton Vistana Resort in the Cascades phase. This resort is 2.4 miles if you are walking, or 4.4 miles if you are driving from Disney Springs, just the other side of Highway I-4 on Route 535. Nancy and I have stayed here many times when vacationing in the Orlando, Florida area, as do many visitors to Walt Disney World. As always, please remember to give this room tour video a thumbs up as you proceed through it, and if you've not done so already, please subscribe to our Disney travel related YouTube channel for older adults and seniors. And now, on with the tour.
Hi, it's Dan from Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney, and today, something a little bit different. We've got a room tour of one of the numerous timeshares in and around Lake Buena Vista and Orlando. And this is of the one-bedroom, premium one-bedroom at Sheraton Vistana Resort. Let's go take a look. Okay, so we've been assigned, we're in the Cascades area. Sheraton Vistana has several different areas or phases, and we're in building 9, the Cascades, unit 2644. Again, unit 2644. Let's take a look. It's a premium one bedroom. So right away, let's close the door. There we go. We've got the kitchen, easily accessible for groceries. We've got a full refrigerator. And this one does have the automatic ice maker, something that, for example, many of the Disney Deluxe and Disney Deluxe Villa resorts do not have. They have manual ice makers. And no, this is not given, 6-pack of Strongbow is not given to every time you check in. That's all. Anyway, full kitchen. Toaster, all the utensils, eating, cooking. There's all the cooking utensils. These are typically for, although not necessarily, longer stays. Again, plastic and glassware. Bowls and plates. You see the microwave, oven, stove. Again, a full kitchen. Good size coffee mugs for first thing in the morning. Okay, so we got a double sink, dishwasher, the Hamilton Beach brew station, coffee maker, and this is the general view of the unit. Let's continue to take a look inside. So over to the left, you think this is a closet that you can put coats and so on, and it's a closet, but it's for cleaning items. And, oh, by the way, ironing board. And an iron. That's pretty good. And then you might think, is this the closet? Well, it's not. It's the door to the other unit. Because again, at Sheraton Vistana, they have what they're called premium one bedrooms compared to one bedroom units. So premium one bedroom is larger. The one bedroom is smaller, not as large a kitchen as this. So if you come here, yes, you want to book the premium one bedroom. It will cost a little bit more, but for Nancy and myself, we significantly prefer it to the one bedroom unit. Now, you can book a 2-bedroom and basically this door will just be open with separate entrances to the outside hallway. Is this a place where you can store coats and so on? Nope, that's where your washer and dryer are located. So there's no real place here in the main living area for you to store anything, just so you're aware. There are some drawers, you can see them there, and we'll get to it, where the small writing table there, and the progressive there underneath the large screen TV, but coats and hang anything only in the bedroom. Has a large table, good lighting. Also has some bar stools here. This is very nice. Yes, a work desk, and what I'm also going to point out is that all of these electrical outlets and USB outlets.
And they are very conveniently located everywhere. So seniors, and we'll do the checklist room tour in the next video, but you will find that the Sheraton Vistana gets a passing grade for USB outlets everywhere. Very good sized room. Here's even USB outlets, analytical outlets here. On the end table, lamp. The couch, I wouldn't call it a comfortable couch that could sit in for hours, but then again, you're not coming to Lake Buena Vista to sit on the couch for hours and hours. You're coming to play and vacation, so it's okay. More electrical outlets in the chair, so lots of electrical outlets and most places USB outlets. Turning around, so again, large screen TV, very good sound system by the way for the TV. And you have 2 pairs of drawers. You can store all kinds of stuff. Again, these units are typically used for a week or longer stays. The balcony or lanai is a very good size. I'll post up the dimensions on the screen now. Very good size, screened in, and the vast majority of them do have a very nice view, a quiet, relaxing view to a pond or a lake and so on. Very, very nice. You can tell by the absence of leaves that we're filming this in the winter. Right now it's the middle of January 2025. You see there's the door to the bedroom. So 2 access points. And you know that size of the lanai is important if you have a scooter or a walker or a wheelchair compared to many of the balconies on property at Disney World. Many of them are too narrow for a walker, wheelchair, or scooter. I also wanted to point out these are 2 very useful small little stands here, because you can tell with the tags, and I've done this. They're not just for storage, but if you wanted to put one of them, say as an end table over here on this side of the couch, and then you have a flat surface for things like, a beverage or snacks or something when you're watching TV, relaxing during your stay. Okay, so let's go into the bedroom. Now again, these units are not new. The past 5 years, they were built, I cannot remember the exact year, I'm gonna say 20 years ago, give or take. So the fashion trend at that point was to have one of these monster corner whirlpool bathtubs. It is challenging to get over, and that height, you know how high that is? That height, if you're trying to climb over, is all of 19.5 inches. Yes, I did measure it. So that's one thing to be careful of. If you like taking baths, but you're mobility challenged, you gotta be careful with this one. Okay. But it is a jacuzzi. As far as the actual sleeping area, that's where you have your closets. You can see it's got a decent sized safe in here. Although, it could take a, say, standard size or a small laptop standing up, but that's about it. So it's not very deep, but lots of hangers. All right, just close that. There we go. 4-drawer credenza. Small TV, which, yes, it's sort of hiding or tucked away behind that wall. It is visible from both sides of the bed. Speaking of which, nightstands on both sides of the bed. Different styles. This one over here at the left has 3 drawers. One on the right has 1 drawer with storage space. And then there's this. Not sure if you can tell, but if we look at the window, real close up, there you can see some of it. Have to be candid with you. In this case, these windows, and you can make whatever excuses you want, but just be aware that these windows kind of dirty. And that is on the outside. It could be from the pitch of the palm tree that's right outside, but nonetheless, not overly clean. And that's all 4 windows. So that would be a bad mark for Sheraton Vistana.
there's the entrance, separate entrance to the lanai. And yes, at night you want to close this. That's very easy to do. Slide it over, and there it's closed. Okay. Drawers here for you. So it's very deep. It can hold a lot. Do be careful of this bench. Now it's great if you want to sit down and put your shoes on and so on, but because it's not the full width of the bed, and it's at night, and it's dark, you're trying to go from this side of the bed, say, to the bathroom that's down there, we'll see in a minute, you can forget that it's there, run into it, and stub your toe or your shin and so on. So just make a note of that. All right. Again, to the nightstand, what do we have? Again, we have there 2 USB outlets and 2 electrical outlets. So lots of plugs. And it's the same thing with the other nightstand. So the stand at top marks for that. And here to show you. And there it is. Electrical outlets and 2 USBs. Okay. Well, what's next? Let's go look over in this area, in the bathroom there. So it's a nice job that there is some call it his and hers. We can call it split bathrooms where there are 2 sinks. One over there, one over here. Okay. Underneath the sink, minimal storage, that's where you will find, if you're looking for it, if you stay here, both the hair dryer and the extra rolls of toilet paper and tissue boxes. Okay. Oh yes, and the makeup mirror. And then finally, this area, the bathroom, again, a single sink. These drawers do not pull out here. It's stationary. Again, electrical outlet just like there was in the first area. And then combination tub and toilet room. Plenty of towels. Look what we see here. A very nice grab bar. Okay, that's great for safety. And typical showers, no handheld. But there you go. There's the shower. Let's close that. Echoey in there. So there you have it. Coming back into the bedroom for one last look. Let's finish up out in the lanai with the balcony, shall we? So again, there's your view. And there is Highway 535, right there in the distance. So this particular building can get a little bit noisy. And so there you have our room tour. Again, sorry if there's a little bit noise in the background, but again, this particular building that we were assigned for our 10-night stay is right next to 535. So can be a little bit noisy. Please request different building. Yet, just so you know, we did, and yet we were still assigned here. So that was disappointing. Now, if you want to see what, by comparison, a Disney Deluxe unit looks like, here now for you is a review, a room tour of one of the Walt Disney World Deluxe Villa units that Nancy and I stayed in recently. Or here's another video for old adults and seniors from our YouTube travel channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.